Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your language for on Google Chrome. So first things first, if you guys haven't already, then please subscribe and like and comment on my videos, and of course share. Alright, let's get started. So first we're going to want to open up Google Chrome. From Google Chrome, we're going to want to hit these. Let me open a little bit bigger. We're going to hit these three little dots. From here, we're going to want to hit settings. And from settings, we're going to get all these different menu options on the left-hand side. And here we're going to want to click advanced. And from advanced, we're going to want to hit languages. And from here, from a language, we can see all the different languages that we have. So I got English and English United States. So I am Polish, so I will change it to Polish. And how I do this is I just hit add languages. Excuse me. You can search it just to make it easier for you. Polish, add that. And then let's say we don't want any of these. One important thing that you need to know is that the language will be used when translating pages. So when you go to, let's just say, tsn.ca, give it a second. Should change back over to Polish, but I'll just manually do it. So Polish, translate. And here you will see all the translations. Even the news articles, everything is in Polish now. Very convenient, especially if you have, relatives, whatnot that want to come over. You can just temporarily change it, and then when you're done, you can just do unknown and then default it back to English. And then if they're on it, then you can just change it back. It's very handy, very useful. Works great. All right. Thanks, guys, for stopping by. This is How To Tech Tips. Thanks for hanging out, and keep teching on.